Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of US dollar Japanese yen, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And you can clearly see on the chart that this market is in strong uptrend. There is no doubt that US dollar Japanese yen is in uptrend. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is always follow the trend. Yes, we should follow the trend because there is a popular saying in the market, trend is your friend. Therefore, in this market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because if you short the market here, then there is a possibility that you may get trapped. Therefore, considering the trend of the market, you should only look for buying opportunities. I remember recommending a strong buy level at this price point, and again I told that when market will be coming down to the support level, then you can go for buy. And you can easily see that when market came down to the support level, market bounced. Okay. Hopefully you have made good money and good profit from my previous analysis. Sorry I could not upload videos for the last 3-4 days because I was not well after taking COVID-19 vaccine. I was having high fever and body pain. Okay, right now I'm feeling well. Okay. So I'm just amazed that US dollar Japanese yen USDJPY was still strongly following this trend line as the support level. Okay. Anyways, considering the overall trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Okay, so point number 1 is clear. Second point, area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. I have already discussed in hundreds of my videos that the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support. Whereas the best trading opportunity or to best opportunity to short the market at the downtrend market is at the resistance. And this market USDJPY is in clean uptrend. Therefore, we should mainly look for buying opportunities at this support level. And you can see that this trend line is acting as a support for the USDJPY. In your charting platform also, you can draw this trend line, and I would strongly recommend you to draw a trend line like this in your trading platform or charting platform, so that it becomes easier for you to understand, it becomes easier for you to analyze the chart and take the decision properly. Okay, so things are very clear to us. We have a clear picture right now. Okay, and if we look at the forex sentiment meter, okay, you can go to my website avilashhajarika.com, and forex 101 section. Under forex 101 section, you will find the forex sentiment meter. Okay, so this is the forex sentiment meter, and this is the USDJPY, and you can see that, okay, in this uptrend market, this market 68% retail traders have taken long position, and sorry, 78% retail traders have taken short position, and only 21% traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% traders lose money in the market, and this is the main reason why traders lose money, because they do not follow the trend of the market. You can clearly see right now, I have shown you that market is in uptrend. You can clearly see on the chart this market is undoubtedly in uptrend. Okay, and retail traders have taken short position. 78% retail traders have taken short position, and they cry by the end of the day that I have lost money. Okay, this is the reason traders lose money in the market, and that's why I always tell you to follow the trend and always try to find out the area of value. And this is the main reason why people lose money in the market, because they do not follow the trend. And this is the forex heat map. Okay, this is the forex heat map, and you can see that in the forex, under the forex heat map section, we have got almost good movements in the USDJPY section, because in the weekly chart we have got 0.42% movement, in the daily we have got 0.12% movement, in the 4 hours we have got 0.12% movement. So overall there is there is movement in the chart of USD JPY, unlike the chart of Euro USD and all. Okay, USD JPY has got movement, things are quite good, but retail traders have taken wrong position. That is the reason. Okay, and you should not make the same mistake. Okay. Therefore, what you should do right now, you should wait for the perfect opportunity. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. And in this scenario, you should wait for the market to come down to the support level again. Okay. And stochastic RSI is also giving us a clear signal that market is in overbought zone. Therefore, this is not the ideal position to buy at any cost. If you buy here, okay, if you buy here also, your stop loss will be here, and you can clearly see that your stop loss is that big, and your risk to reward ratio also does not match. And as I always say, you should never ever compromise with the trading discipline. And if you want to become a consistent profitable trader, then you should always wait for the perfect opportunity and do not compromise with the trading discipline. It So your trade may take, okay, you need to wait for 1 or 2 days, but at least you'll get a good trade, at least you'll get a profitable trade. It is better to wait than to lose money in the market. Therefore, have patience and wait for USD JPY to come down to the support level. In your charting platform, draw this trend line and wait for the USD JPY to come down to this trend line or support level. When it will come down and hit the trend line, then just observe the price, just look at the price. Try to read the market emotion, try to understand the chart. If you see that price is taking support here, price is about to bounce, you can easily go for buy. You'll get the confirmation in the form of a green candle like this, or a shooting star pattern like this, or price rejection from below like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, price is taking support at the trend line, market is still respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can easily go for buy order. On the other hand, if you see that market has crossed the trend line, if you see that market has crossed the trend line, still do not short the market like the other traders. You wait for the market to give you a proper indication. If market crosses also this trend line, then also you should just wait and watch and observe. I'll be telling you tomorrow what you need to do. Because see, to get the confirmation, you should have the support of volume. Okay. But right now market is in uptrend, therefore always look for buying opportunities only. In case market crosses the support also, do not short the market. I'll be telling you what you need to do tomorrow. So considering the overall picture of the market, wait for the market to come down to the support level only. Because if you trade here in the middle, the risk to reward ratio does not match, so it will be a foolish decision. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya again.